If you're editing a podcast or any type of video that involves multi-camera footage, you need to learn about the multi-camera feature in Premiere Pro. Basically, in your project panel, select all of your footage alongside the audio recording you have, right-click this selection, and choose the option Create Multi-Camera Source Sequence. Name this sequence anything you want and click OK. Now, you'll have a folder in your project called Processed Clips, and sitting beside this folder is the multicam sequence we just created. Drag it onto the timeline. And to activate the multi-camera feature, all you have to do is click on this plus sign here and look for the toggle multi-camera view. Drag this tool with the other tools you have and then click on it. As you can see, the footage from all of the different camera shots are sitting side by side. Basically, play the video and listen to the interview recording, and if you want to switch to another camera shot, just click on it. You can switch to different clips as you're playing the video. At the end, your clip is going to have cuts and switches between the different camera shots without the need of editing traditionally, like manually cutting, dragging the clips and syncing them with the audio. This will save you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on it and subscribe to the channel. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial.